Hey brother, I see you got them twin turb skis, is that right?
Yeah, I heard you got a car that looks a lot like my truck.
Yeah, I heard you got a truck that looks a lot like my car. Damn, bro, what size turbos are these?
GT45.
GT45s, hell yeah, dude. All right, man, well, let's see it burn some tires. Okay, here we go.
This is my second time back at LS Fest West, and this time back we've got another turbo. We got a few more cubic inches displacement, so we're twin turbo now with a 6-liter. We got a custom ground camshaft, Holley high rise, Tech Performance intercooler, air to water, 9-gallon reservoir tank, and we're making 1,100 horsepower on pump gas. I mean, if one turbo's good, 2 turbos are way better. It's an animal. Like, this truck is a lot of fun, and I'm so glad to be back. Yeah, I mean, this thing's still just a double death wish right here. And I started this trip in New Hampshire. I drove down to Dallas to go visit my friends Emily and Aaron Reeves. I dropped off a turbocharged 5.3, continued on to LA, got in a 1966 Chevrolet C10 pickup. I got that running with a straight 6. We drove it all the way back to Dallas. We did a turbo LS swap and an NV3500 5-speed overdrive manual transmission, drove it back to LA, and then cannonballed all the way here to LS Fest West in Vegas. That was 7,000 miles of full build in 4 weeks. That's dedication. Yeah, so last year was pretty sick, but we now got rid of the leaf springs, had all kinds of axle wrap. We put some ladder bars in it with adjustable coilovers. We put a 22-gallon fuel cell, because I still don't have a damn gauge in this thing. So now I can go like 3 hours between fuel stops. I judge my fuel stops on time instead of distance, because I don't have an odometer. I am rarely home. Honestly, my mission is to expose the kindness in America. The kindness of strangers is far greater than you would ever be led to believe. And you know, I live on the road and oftentimes rely solely on the kindness of strangers, and it is heartwarming and makes your skin crawl, and I just want everybody to be able to experience that to some level. So my mission is just to expose good people, because most people are good and want to help, be part of something greater than themselves, and that's really what all this is. That's the whole mission. If you watched the first video, you'd know that every time that I break down and am restored by the kindness of a stranger who expects nothing in return, they sign the truck. I'm running out of room, but I'm still not stopping the mission. Like, you know, we'll probably end up taking over the whole roof because this thing blows. I need to replace a crank and rods in Phoenix on the way here. So like, this thing never stops.